These are cases every law student should know when talking about provocation. The first one is Obaji and the state. The court held that when determining what means provocation, it should be a combined reading of section 283, which explains provocation, and section 318 of the Criminal Code Act, which provides for killing on provocation. The case of R and Adekomi, the court held that the word or deed which will amount to provocation, the effects should be that of a reasonable man. The case of Beda and DP. So the fact of the case is that a man tried unsuccessfully to have sexual intercourse with a prostitute, but due to the fact that he was an impotent man, he was unsuccessful. The prostitute then insulted him and the man got angry and killed her. He then argued that the effects of the words of the prostitute should be that it has on a reasonable sexual impotent man, but the court did not agree with him. Also see the case of DPP and Chaplain. The court held that the decision of the court in Beda and DPP should no longer be followed. Also see the case of R and Green. The fact of the case is that a prisoner's wife left him. He made all efforts in order to win her back, but it was unsuccessful. When he was released, he went to his mother-in-law's house where his wife was staying. He found his wife and another man having sexual intercourse. He went back home and returned 4 hours later to kill his mother-in-law, his wife, and the other man. On trial, he pleaded provocation, but the court did not agree with him, as the time that he went back home was enough to cool down his passion. Also see the case of Tuko and Republic. The fact of the case is that the accused came back home drunk. He then found his stepfather beating his mother. He tried to separate them, but his stepfather struck him, warning him not to interfere. He went inside, slept for a few hours, and when his stepfather called him, he came outside, only to find his mother dead. He took her body to a shade, took a weapon, and pursued his stepfather. When he caught up with him, he exchanged some words with him, which got him angrier. He then decided to come back to take care of his mother's body, and in the process, the accused killed his stepfather. On trial, he pleaded provocation, but the court did not agree with him. I will stop here for today. If you found the video helpful, do well to leave a like as well. Thank you for engaging in the Let's Legal Space.